Hey everybody, in this video we are solving the 10th example on a playlist of pre-calculus final exam review problems. In this question we have the following: if log base 2 of 9 is approximately 3.2 and log base 2 of 5 is approximately 2.3, then use these to approximate log base 2 of 90. So we can't use a calculator, we can only use what we have in front of us right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite log base 2 of 90 using a prime, not quite prime factorization, but I'm going to break down 90 into a product where the numbers like 9 and 5 will come into play. And you might be thinking, well, I don't have 10 though, I need 10. If you're thinking that, that's great, because 90 is 9 times 10, and 10 is log base 2 9 times 5 times 2. Okay, so far so good. Now we're going to use the product property to expand that final expression into a sum. So that will be log base 2 of 9 plus log base 2 of 5 plus log base 2 of 2. And you might be like, oh no, but they didn't tell us log base 2 of 2. That's okay. We'd be fine, because here, log base 2 of 9, got it, love it, great. Log base 2 of 5, got it, love it, great. And lastly, we could add our own little data point right there. And what is that? Log base 2 of 2 is saying to you, 2 to what power is 2? The answer is uno. That's 1. So, right there, right? So that right there is equal to 1. Then we have that right there, which was equal to 2.3 approximately. And lastly, oops, we have this, oops, wrong color, hey, that right there, 3.2. Now 3.2 plus 2.3 is 5.5 plus 1 is a final approximate answer of 6.5. And there you have it. That was using given information, and that was using factoring of the number 90, and it was using the properties of logarithms. We used basically the product property to expand this into an addition expression. All right, that's all for this one. I hope that you are understanding, happy, and loving it. If so, thumbs up. If not, sad, scared, and confused, go ahead, thumbs down. Questions, comments, concerns, feedback, and requests, go in the comments. Check the description box or the thumbnail on the screen to go to the playlist for more videos on this topic. That's it for now. Adios.